How about making a beautiful card with only stamps, ink, and paper? Let me show you a sweet and simple summer card with minimal amount of supplies. I'm Sylvie from Sylvie Stamps, and let's get to the table. So let me show you how to make this beautiful summer card. And we are going to be using the Season of Chic stamp set, and I love that it covers a number of seasons, including those seashells for summer, leaves for fall, snowflakes for winter, and a variety of beautiful greetings as well. First of all, we are going to use a piece of basic white cardstock that is 3 3/4 by 5. And if you don't remember the dimensions or the supplies I'm using, don't worry. You can check the blog post. There's a corresponding blog post to this video, and you will see the link in the description below. So I'm going to use this texture stamp and crumb cake ink to make the sand in the bottom here. So I'm going to stamp here. And then I'm going to stamp again here, giving me what we call the second generation, and it's a little lighter. And then I'm going to do another one here, and maybe one here. And then I'm going to come back with full strength here. And I think I will do another full strength here. Okay, so that's our sand. And then we are going to do our seashells. So the seashells actually have two stamps. One is a fuller stamp and one has the details of the outside. So this fuller one, we are going to stamp with Pull Party. And this Pull Party ink actually matches the Pull Party cardstock that we will be using later. I love the coordination that Stampin' Up! Has like that between ink and cardstock and ribbon and all the different colors like that. So I'm going to stamp another one here and another one over here. I'm going to get this one to be a little bit off page. It just looks a little more natural when you do that. Okay, and then I'm going to come back with my crumb cake ink and my more detailed stamp. And because they are photopolymer stamps, they are I can see through to match them. Here we go. Beautiful. I love the details in that, just like it was a real shell. I love that. Okay, and then my third shell is going to be a little more muddled on the sand, but it still looks beautiful. There we go. Okay, so next let's start putting our card together. So I'm going to put adhesive on the back of this panel here. And I'm going to put it on my Pull Party cardstock. And that way I have a beautiful little border just all the way around. Always add some pressure. And then I'm going to get my card base here. That is crumb cake. Again, that corresponds with the ink. And I'm going to pop that up with dimensionals here. So I'm going to put a few dimensionals on the back. And this one didn't want to glue. Let's use another one. Here we go. Okay, and now to add my sentiment, I have a piece that is 3/4 inches by, I don't know, the length of my sentiment. And I'm going to stamp it with crumb cake again. And I've chosen the Thinking of You, but you could choose any of the other sentiments that are included in the stamp set. And then we're just going to stamp it like that. There we go. And then I'm going to use my scissors, and I'm going to just trim the edges like that, just to make it a little more interesting. You don't have to do that, but I thought it would look kind of nice. And we are going to put that on dimensionals as well. So I'm going to put a couple here. Okay, and of course after that we can add some bling. So I'm going to add some elegant faceted gems, and I'm going to use these I don't know what color they are, but they look really nice with the crumb cake. I'm going to put some on the greeting here, and then I'm going to use these see-through ones, transparent ones. I'm going to put them directly on the card here. Let's put a little one here, and maybe let's put another one in here. There we go. Okay, so there's the two cards here. And let me show you another card that I made also using the stamp set. And make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and set a reminder so you don't miss any videos as well. So here's another card that I made with the same stamp set. And I added a piece of the Designer Series paper that corresponds to this suite, as well as a die cut here of the seashell. So you can make some beautiful cards. This one has a few more supplies, but this one has only stamps, ink, and paper. Until next time, keep stamping.